All right, so we want to show you something here real quick. Don't ever let...
Well, yeah, I mean, you got a swarm that comes in that's about a handful. And they went into this box here. And we were just letting them go. Didn't see a queen with them for quite some time. And then Clint got into them the other day, and there's a nice little tiger stripe new queen in there. So we took some brood from another hive and set it up with some new comb, and we're going to add some bees and swap some stuff around here so they got a little bit more of a they got some more bees in there, and see what happens.
So this is what I opened it up to yesterday, was this and this. And so, like David said, all we did was add another frame of brood with some food on it and a bunch of empty frames and set it right back where she came from. And then I'll just feed this one as much as I can. Like he said, we got it out of that right there. It just moved in. It's been there. How long do you think it's been in there?
Oh, a good month and a half.
Month and a half. And we every time we'd look at it, we didn't really think that there was anything in it. And the other day I walked out here thinking these bees should be dead by now, and I saw one fly in, and I thought there's no way. But so guess what? And what did you say about them? Never.
I said, yeah, don't ever give up on me.
Don't ever give up on them.
They will surprise you.
So we'll see. We'll keep you updated on this one here. And like I said, she's tiger stripe. We'll call her that for now, and we'll keep you updated on what she does. So I know it's late in the season, but we like to give every opportunity we can. So hopefully she'll make it through. And if we have to, we'll put her on top of one of these to get her through with a double screen board. But
through about 25 hives in about an hour and 15 minutes. So I'm getting tired.
yeah, David and I have been at it since about 7:30, 8 o'clock this morning. We've been through just about everything down on this end of the valley, and doing the same thing we did out at the Bailey yard a few days ago. So anyway, well, thank you for stopping by. This is just a short one that we'll keep you updated on a tiger stripe that we thought, we didn't even think there was a queen in there. And obviously she surprised us every time we was in there. She must have been on a mating flight. So leave them alone sometimes. We do too much for them, I believe, but in a lot of instances. But all right, well, God bless you, and hope you enjoyed this. Like and subscribe, and see you next time.